See, this is exercise number 4.2. First one, y is equal to 3x plus 3 equation is given. Okay, for that you have to say this solution, unique solution or only two solutions or infinitely many solutions. Any linear, this is a linear equation of two variables. Y is equal to 3x plus 5. Okay, this will have any equation, it will be having infinitely many solutions. Okay, unique means only one solution. No, if you go on taking y value, x value, as in my previous video I sent, कोई एक एक x value के लिए एक एक y value आएगा. अब x1 लिए तो y value अलग है, x0 लिए तो y value अलग है. So if you take a linear equation, that will have infinitely many solutions. Now second is write four solutions for the following equations. Okay, now four solutions for this equation. This is the first equation. So first what you make one table like this. Okay, this is x and y. Okay, now I told you bring it in either x form or y form. So supposing if I bring in the x form, 2x plus y is equal to 7. Okay, 2x is equal to plus y, when it goes to that side it becomes minus. Okay, plus y is equal to 7 and 2x is equal to 7 minus y, x is equal to 7 minus y upon 2. So here y को वैल्यू लेने का, देन इसको डिवाइडेड बाय 2 करने का. ओके, एक एक्स्ट्रा स्टेप करने का. वही मैं उसको x फॉर्म में लाए तो x फॉर्म क्या होगा आपको, सेम 2x प्लस y इज इक्वल टू 7. इफ आई ब्रेक इन द y फॉर्म, y इज इक्वल टू 7 माइनस 2. दोनों you can choose any one, but according to you which will be easier, that will be picking. अगर आप x is having a coefficient 2, y is coefficient 1, तो कभी भी if you have to bring in x form or y form, try to choose such variable which is having 1 as the coefficient, क्योंकि एक स्टेप हमको कम करने का है. अगर यहाँ x को भी ला सकते हैं, y को भी ला सकते हैं. अगर x को लाए तो आपको 2 will be to have to one more step we have to divide. But if you bring y is having coefficient 1 here, nothing is there means coefficient 1. So if you bring it in the y form, then only one step is enough. Just you will be taking, just you have to subtract x value, you have to substitute and subtract the 7. Okay, if both are having supposing y is having 3, x is having 2, then in such case we have to pick up any one, we have to pick up, because in both the cases we have to divide either by 2 or 3. Okay, इसीलिए ये y लाए तो हमको करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो ये मैं रब कर देती हूँ. ओके, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट चूजिंग x, we will be choosing y, because coefficient of x is equal to 1. Okay, now let us take y is equal to, so y is equal to 7, y is equal to 7, we have brought it in the y form. Y form मतलब y is equal to y is equal to 7 minus 2x. So I can choose any value of x here. So first case, let us take x is equal to minus 2. Okay, minus 2, minus 12, minus 30, any damn value you can take. Okay, okay, minus 2 let us take. So write the equation, y is equal to 7 minus 2 into minus 2. Y is equal to, here 1 and 2 minus signs are there, so it will become 7, write down, plus then 2 2s are 4. Y is equal to 11. So here we have made one table. Now in that you have write x क्या लिए है, minus 2, y का वैल्यू कितना ही है, 11. Okay, second case, 4 values we have to find out. X is equal to 0 ले लो, यहाँ 0. y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 2x. Y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 0. Y is equal to 7 minus 0. Y is equal to 7. This is the second. Y is equal to 7. Third value we have to take. The third value, 4 solutions we have to. That means अभी आपको मैंने already I taught you solution. Solutions मतलब if x is equal to here first case -2 and 11. तो ये LHS में ये सब्सिट्यूट किए तो that should be equal to your 7. Okay, 2 2s are supposing देखो x is equal to 2, so -4 आएगी यहाँ, 2 into -2. y is equal to 11 minus 4 कितना है, 7 आ रही है. 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. LHS is equal to RHS. So -4 and 11 they are called the solutions of the linear equation. Okay, now one more third we have to find out. Third value में लेती हूँ कि x is equal to let us take 5. y is equal, ग्राफ के लिए छोटे वैल्यूज़ लेने का आपको. In the next week, next exercise we will be learning about the graphs. Okay, if you have to find out solutions, even big value, 1000 also you can take, whatever. But when you are drawing the graphs, we have to take the smaller value because bigger numbers we cannot represent on the graph. Y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 5. Y is equal to 7 minus 10. Y is equal to -3. So if you are taking x value as 5, okay, y value we are getting as -3. Okay, this is the -3. Then fourth value. Fourth value, let us take x is equal to 10. Y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 10. Y is equal to 7 minus 20. Y is equal to -13. Usually these bigger values while drawing the graphs we will not take because it is difficult to. So x value is equal to 10 and y value is equal to -30. That is 4 solutions we have got. The next problem is same, we have to find out the solutions. Second is equal to pi x plus y is equal to 9. Okay, here also y is having coefficient 1. So I will be writing y is equal to 9 minus pi x. 9 minus pi x, this is. Okay, now let us take here 4. Okay, x and y. Okay, now here x, this is the y form. So first I will be taking x is equal to -4. Okay, y is equal to 9 minus pi into -4. Okay, y is equal to 9 minus plus. Okay, minus pi minus pi, then minus plus 4. Okay, y is equal to 9 plus 4, 30 minus pi. So when x, we cannot add because pi value will remains as pi value only. Okay, you should not add that. Okay, now because pi is irrational number. So now what is the x value? -4, and what is the value? 13 minus pi. So then let us take second case में x is equal to 0, y is equal to 9. अच्छा, oh, sorry. This is pi into 4. Okay, y is equal to minus, this minus into minus plus. Okay, 9 4 pi. Okay, so this value will be 9 plus 4 pi. Okay, now here y is equal to y plus y minus pi x, y minus pi x. Y is equal to pi into 0. Y is equal to 9 minus 0. Y is equal to 9. So if you take 0, y value as 9. So now third case, let us take x is equal to 2. Okay, now y is equal to 9 minus pi x. Y is equal to 9 minus pi into 2. Y is equal to 9 minus 2 pi. Okay, then x is equal to 2. Y is equal to 9 minus 2 pi. Okay, now x is equal to 4. Y is equal to 9 minus pi x. Y is equal to 9 minus 4 into pi. So y is equal to 9 minus 4 pi. So when x value is equal to 4, y value is equal to 9 minus 4 pi. Okay, 4 values we have got.